Hi there, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel and welcome to my latest prize draw. This one's a bit different because I don't know exactly what the prize is. I've got an Airfix aircraft mystery box delivered straight from their warehouse and I've not opened it, so I don't know what kits are inside. All I do know is that there's more than one, they usually have 3 or 4, and they're all aircraft from the current Airfix range, and according to Airfix, the total retail price of them would be about £187 if you got them separately. Anyway, here it is on the Airfix online store. The bundle retails at £89.99, but you could win it for as little as £1. What you need to do is go to the website listed here or follow the QR code. The address is in the information box as well. Make sure you register there, answer a very simple multiple choice question correctly. I think you'll get it right. And you could buy tickets for the prize draw. Tickets are £1 each, and there are multi-buy offers with extra free tickets available. This event runs until just after midnight UK time at the end of Saturday, 20th September 2025. After it closes, my online partner, Raffle, will independently and at random select a winning ticket. I'll get in touch with the winner by email, so do make sure your email is correct when you register. Then the winner will have a choice, either to open the package yourself and film or photograph it for me to share with the audience so we all know what's inside, or I can open it and send you the package, and then once you've received it, tell everyone what's inside. The choice is entirely yours. Whatever you decide, I'll mail the package to you at my own expense no matter where you are. I've already sent previous winning packages to Australia and the USA. It's not a problem. Finally, Raffle will automatically send 10% of the revenue from the draw to Models for Heroes. A link to this very excellent charity is in the information box as well. So you've got until the end of 20th September 2025 UK time to enter. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing what's in the box, probably as much as you do. Thanks very much for watching today, and goodbye.